myself Rohit Kushwaha, physics faculty. Now this is the first lecture of class 11th. Firstly, congratulations to everyone to promote in class 11th. Now today we will discuss about what is physics and the basic syllabus of your class 11th and some basics of physics. About physics, you know that if you see around yourself in this universe, there are many phenomena occurring, as like stars are shrinking, planets are moving around sun, light, and if you see in your room that fans are moving by electricity, electric bulb, and some etc. as like apple is falling down towards the earth. These phenomena are occurring in nature by some basic concept and basic laws, and when we study about these phenomena in the branch of science, that is physics. That is physics. That means what is physics? Physics is the study of phenomena occurring in nature, as like rainbow, as like scattering of light, as like you study in class 10 that prism is split white light into 7 colors, as like sound, as like light, the behavior of light, the behavior of sound, and the behavior of heat, temperature. This everything you will study in the branch of science named as physics. In class 11th, you study some basics and some various laws of physics, and for those laws we will split in many branch of physics. Number first, if you study about motion and mechanical properties, then this branch of physics is known as mechanics. In this you will study about motion and some basic about mechanics and mechanical property of mechanical behavior. In second, in this part you will also discuss about gravitational, rotational, etc. And second will be the mechanical property of matter, or the mechanical property of solid, liquid and gas, as like you will discuss about elasticity of matter, viscosity of liquid and basic property of gases. After that you will discuss about heat and thermodynamics, After that you will discuss about waves. After that you will discuss about acoustic, that means sound. And one thing more, you will discuss about behavior of gases, as like what is the basic laws of gases, the real gas, ideal gas, Boyle-Charles principle, etc. Now in next lecture we will start your syllabus from first unit of your class 11 syllabus, that is mechanics. And in mechanics We will start about physical. We will start from physical quantities. Physical quantities. Some basic forces in nature, units and dimension, and some errors and mathematical tools used in physics. So wait for next lecture. Thank you.